iLEAD from the academic year 2018 is starting an undergraduate program in interior designing. Every construction requires interior designing, and therefore there is a tremendous requirement of interior designers who can convert a blank space into a very fascinating place. This program will enable most of the students to not only get a job, but also to start their own business, and such interior designing business can be started from one's own home with very small capital requirement. iLEAD is promoted by two real estate giants, PS Group and Srijan, which has already completed over 300 projects in Kolkata city alone and currently doing more than 60 projects, having a total square foot coverage of approximately 12 million square feet. And therefore, there is a tremendous scope of interior designing students in real estate business as well.